coming down.
Yeah, it's raining.
Welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Adventures Learning. I'm Corban, this is Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be making shaving cream rain clouds.
That's right, shaving cream rain clouds.
That's why it's called, this is why it's called shaving cream.
Yes, so stay tuned. All right, so Corban, what do we need?
A glass jar or clean vase.
All right, yes, so a glass jar, and in it is 3/4 full of water. All right, what else do we need?
Shaving cream and food coloring.
All right, that's it, shaving cream and food coloring. Let's get
started.
And
water.
Yes.
And this. And that.
Okay, so the first step is Corban is going to put the shaving cream into the water. Yes. All right, we're ready to go to the next step.
I think I made that one too big.
Okay, now Corban is going to put some drops of food coloring into the glass cup there, or glass jar.
It's making its way through. Okay. Okay, pinata. Oh! It's raining!
Oh, yeah. You see, he's making some rain. It's going through the clouds. Very easy. Woo!
Whoa! The green just powdered in.
Yeah.
Now we have two colors. I'm your little red baby.
All right.
Oh, it's the red's coming down.
Yeah, it's raining. And that's how
you make rain inside the house.
Yes.
One more color. Green.
Yeah, so that's how rain works. So as the water gets too heavy for the clouds, it goes into the atmosphere. It gets released into the atmosphere, therefore creating rain. See that food coloring represents the water, and it's getting too heavy for the clouds, which is our shaving cream.
Whoa, let it go!
Ooh.
That part finally got in. Some food coloring.
All right, so Corban created some heavy rain here. All right, well.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Now I'm gonna touch it.
All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to subscribe.
Oh, it is.
And watch our other videos. Bye.
I got a horn on my head.